suspension product you may want to use. Coat all the exposed metal parts, like so the bolts, the fasteners.
Good morning folks, I hope you're all well. You're joining me on quite a mild winter's day today, but luckily for the first time in weeks, it's not raining, which is great because I need dry conditions to go and do what I'm about to do. We're off to go and see a Jaguar XKR. I want to go photograph it for Car and Classic, so it's an online auction. I'll walk around the car, get loads of photographs, a little bit of video, and then hopefully at the end of the process, somebody will walk away with a cool new Jag. Yeah, hopefully the weather stays nice and dry, and hopefully you enjoy this little behind-the-scenes photo shoot. I'll see you on the other side. And there we go, back home after another cold auction photo shoot. I don't really get to be too creative with my style when it comes to the auction or sales jobs, but I think there's something to be said for keeping things minimal, keeping the editing style, you know, quite subtle. In my eyes, the more eyes you can appeal to, the more sort of taste you can cater towards, then the better chance of success you've got with these things. So anything to do with auctions or sales, unless it's a really high-end auction, I try and keep quite minimal. But yeah, I'm curious. Do you guys like seeing my photo work? Is it something you're interested in? Because I can film more photo shoots and it fits quite nicely into a day. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. But in the meantime, I am absolutely starving, so let me go get some food before I get really, really hangry. Unfortunately, it's not quite S2000 weather at the moment, but I need it out of the way to tidy up some things in the garage. Now, this car's not been started in such a long time, and I just couldn't resist firing it up just to hear it. It's such a fun, loud, angry, just ridiculously fun car, and I love it to bits. But it also dawned on me, I've not made any videos on this thing. I made, I think, 1 or 2 shorts, but I haven't actually featured it on my channel properly, which blows my mind. This thing needs to be on there. So as soon as the weather dries up and the sunshine starts coming out and days last longer than, well, half an hour, yeah, S2000 videos on the way. The reason I want the S2000 out of here is because I need a little bit of working room to sort out that cupboard and this abomination of a floor situation going on. A man's garage is his castle, and at the moment, I've been slacking. My castle looks like just a pile of crumbly rock. There's stuff everywhere, it's disorganised, some stuff needs chucking away, so it just needs a little bit of attention. So DJ, spin some funky tunes for me. I don't quite know what's going on with my hair today, but I've tidied the garage up and I feel a lot better having done that. Whilst I'm in here though, I've got some parts to show you guys. Now, I should just say, I didn't intend on buying these, but they popped up pretty close by. I've had a lot of questions about it recently, so feast your eyes. Boom, there we go, manual gearbox for the Civic. I've also got the pedals, I've got the linkages somewhere as well. I've got some interior trim. I think the only things that I actually still need to do the manual swap, I need a clutch and flywheel combo. But other than that, I think I've got everything. As I say, I didn't intend on buying them, but they were really, really close and they were really cheap as well. So I thought, I'm going to buy them at some point later down the line. Why not now? And it's that kind of attitude that keeps me poor. There you go. Anyways, speaking of the Civic, it needs a little bit of a wash. So let's go have a look at it. This thing's been parked up for a fair few months now, and it's just been pelted by seagulls, bits of roof tile, moss from the gutters, and whatever else is knocking about in the air. Truthfully, a wash is long overdue, but I'm not going to be detailing it in today's video. I'm running out of daylight, running out of time, the weather's probably going to turn on me, so I just want to give it a quick wash, get all this stuff off it, and then we can do something exciting with it in the future. So let's crack on. I'm also on a bit of a mission at the moment to try and work out which detailing products I actually like, because there's loads out there and some of them are really expensive. So this week we're testing out a really cheap snow foam. This was 25 quid for 5 litres. Now, it smells amazing, so hopefully it cleans as well. Ladies and gents, it's time for some music and a wash. Well, that's the Civic washed. That was a fun experience. Winter is just a nightmare for doing car things. It's raining 90% of the days here. Then on that one day where it doesn't rain, the sun still sets at 4 PM. So your window for doing car stuff just gets smaller and smaller, especially when you're trying to film. So washing a car, for example, I don't know, I probably spend about an hour doing that normally. If it's just me, I'm just therapeutic experience, as I'm sure you guys know. Chilling out, washing a car, about an hour. If I'm filming, you gotta move your tripod around, set focus for certain things. You're always coming up with new ideas as you're actually doing it. Probably takes around double the time. Today's car wash, because the sun was already setting, took me about 25 minutes, which is a record for me. And I'm not really pleased about it, because I didn't get the shots I wanted to, but whatever. The car is now clean. On the outside. The interior is, oh, it's very different. I don't want to give too much away, but If you watch Stranger Things, it's pretty much like the upside down in there. Something very wet has happened, and we've got problems, folks. But I've got solutions, and hopefully in the coming videos we're going to rectify that and make the Civic even better than it already is, so stay tuned for those. As always, thank you guys very much for watching. I massively appreciate having you guys here. It still blows my mind how many people turn up from all across the world to, support me, to leave kind words, give me feedback. It doesn't go unnoticed, and I really, really appreciate it, so thank you very much. If you're new here, why not stick around for more? We're a friendly bunch, and there's loads of chilled, laid back, somewhat cinematic car content coming soon, so you'll have plenty to watch. Finally, to round out today's video, I've got a bit of a question for you guys. How many hours do you dedicate every week to cars or bikes? It's been on my mind for probably the past week or so, just thinking about how much time I dedicate to doing car stuff. My work revolves around it, and then I'm also a hobbyist and content creator for the car world as well, so probably quite a few hours every week, but I'm sure there'll be some of you out there that have even more hours or crazy amounts of time dedicated to bikes, for example, so let me know in the comments section below. We'll start a bit of discussion. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.